In this video, we'll see a very simple way to make caramel custard, which probably you wouldn't have seen earlier, because in this recipe I'm not going to use any gelatin, agar agar or yogurt or curd. Let's get started. For this recipe we need steel bowls or any other heat-proof bowl. So this is medium-sized steel katori which every one of us have at our homes. Now heat a pan and add 5 tablespoons sugar. So this step is to make caramel, and make sure you do not disturb the sugar and do not keep the flame high initially. So it should be between low to medium. Keep patience because this takes a little time, and once you see the caramel has become golden in color, if it's darker than this then you might get burnt taste. So please keep a check while you make caramel. Immediately pour it into the katoris or bowls, and within a few seconds it would harden like this. Keep this aside. Here I've got vanilla custard powder, so 5 tablespoons of the ready vanilla custard powder. Total we need half liter milk, so I'm taking a little of that and making a paste of this custard powder. This is ready. Now heat the remaining milk from the half liter milk. Just bring it to a boil. You don't need to continue cooking it or reduce it, just bring it to a boil. Now add 6 tablespoons sugar. So I'm using measuring cups and spoons. Very easily available online these days. You can check out the Amazon shop section in video's description box to find links of the products which I use or similar products. Pour in the custard mixture and immediately stir it, or keep adding it and continuously stirring it with another hand. It's very important, otherwise you would get lumps. You need to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes between low to medium flame and immediately transfer to the bowls. You can also use a whisk to make this mixture smooth. So after transferring the mixture into the bowls, just tap a little or use a spoon to level it. You don't need to level it a lot, but slight distribution of the mixture. If you do not have aluminum foil or do not want to use it, instead of steel katori or bowl, use tiffin boxes, steel tiffin boxes, so that you pour the caramel in the steel box, and then after pouring the mixture you place that tiffin box's lid and then steam it. So water here is boiling, and now I'm placing this plate, and on top of that caramel custard. So I'm steaming 3 at a time because of the space constraint. Cover it and steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the bowls out and let them come to room temperature. And after that, after the custard comes to room temperature, refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Refrigerate, do not freeze, normal refrigerator section. And after that, you just need to loosen the sides like this using a knife. Place a plate on top and quickly invert and lift the bowl. The hard caramel at the base of the bowl would become liquid and would taste fantastic. Look at the texture. It's nice, jiggly, and it tastes amazing. And can you believe it does not have yogurt, egg, gelatin or agar agar? Give this recipe a try and enjoy.